culinary journey through Pakistan. 5 must-try dishes. Welcome, food lovers, to a tantalizing journey through the rich and diverse flavors of Pakistan. Prepare your taste buds as we explore 5 mouth-watering dishes you must try. Pakistan, a land of breathtaking landscapes and vibrant cultures, offers a culinary adventure that is an explosion of flavors, colors, and textures. Let's dive into our first dish, Biryani. This aromatic and flavorful dish is a beautiful blend of rice, meat, and spices, cooked with layers of marinated meat, fragrant basmati rice, and a mix of delicious spices like cardamom, cloves, and saffron. This dish is a Pakistani favorite. Up next, Nihari, a slow-cooked stew packed with tender meat and rich spices. With its origins in the Mughal Empire, Nihari is traditionally cooked overnight and enjoyed as a breakfast dish. The tantalizing aroma and melt-in-your-mouth meat make this dish truly unforgettable. Now, let's savor the iconic Chapli Kebab. These scrumptious and spicy kebabs hail from the Pashtun region and are made with minced meat, tomatoes, onions, and a special mix of spices. Grilled to perfection, Chapli Kebabs are a testament to the art of Pakistani barbecue. Next on our list is the comforting and hearty Haleem. This nutritious dish is a slow-cooked blend of wheat, barley, lentils, and meat, with a silky smooth texture and aromatic spices. Haleem is a warm and satisfying meal that has a special place in every Pakistani's heart. Finally, let's indulge our sweet tooth with the delectable Gulab Jamun. These soft, syrupy, and golden brown spheres of deliciousness are made from milk solids, deep-fried and soaked in a sugar syrup infused with rose water and cardamom. A bite of Gulab Jamun is pure bliss that you absolutely must try. So what are you waiting for? Embark on your own culinary adventure and discover the incredible flavors of Pakistan.